Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to password protect PDFs in Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. First step is to install Adobe Scan and Adobe Acrobat. So simply head over and open up your App Store. Then on the search bar simply type in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Scan and download both of the apps. Then once that's done, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Adobe Scan application. Then simply tap on the scan button or camera icon on the bottom of the screen and select Create Scan. Inside, simply capture the document or ID or received or notes, then crop, rotate and enhance as needed, and once done, simply tap on Save PDF on the bottom right corner of your screen and your document is saved to Adobe Document Cloud. Now once that's done, what you need to do is head over back and then open up Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then once that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on Files on the bottom of your screen and then select Adobe Scan. Find your scanned PDF and then tap on the PDF to open it. Now once that's done, what you need to do now is tap on the three-dot icon on the top right corner of your screen and then select the option that says Save Password. And once that's done, enter your desired password and confirm it, and then simply tap on Apply, and now your PDF is password protected and anyone opening it will need the password. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.